Welcome to Botier Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to customize email notification to your customers via CMS. Please note that CMS is only available for Business Plan and Business Plus users. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, log into CMS by using your Botier email account. Then, in your The Home page, click Settings tab of the top right corner CMS. Tap General, Store Profile, Social Channels, Customization. Select Customization Setting tab at your left. Choose Email. You can customize your email at here. Firstly, upload your store logo. You can choose your logo from your photo library. The recommended photo size is less than 200 pixel width. You can choose to add an URL to your image. Once done, click Confirm. Next, you can choose a theme color for your email. Moving on, pick a color for your email text. Lastly, add a footer banner to your email. You can choose to add an URL to your image. Once done, click Confirm. Tap on Sample Preview to check on the display of email order notifications that will be sent to your customers once bought. Once done, click Save. Next, we'll continue with Set up Abandoned Cart Reminder. Select Notification tab on your left. For this section, Botier will automatically send an email to your customers after they have abandoned their checkout. You can pick your preferred time to send email notification to your customers. Once done, click Save. With that, your store is now set. Download Botier now on Google Play Store or App Store.